it's Jasmine, and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make this super delicious, quick and easy chickpea salad, just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're starting out with some chickpeas, and we're going to add in a Florida avocado, cucumber, diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes with basil leaves, red onion, and some fresh cilantro, and feta cheese. And we're just going to go ahead and mix all of that together. I told you this was super easy, right? Now we're going to make our dressing. So we're just going to set that to the side, and I'm taking some 1 clove of garlic that I chopped up, and I'm going to put that into a bowl with some olive oil, some lemon juice. I'm adding some salt and pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and smash that garlic to infuse it into that olive oil and lemon juice. And then we're just going to pour that all over our other ingredients, and that's it, guys. It's all done. Super simple, super easy, but you won't believe the flavor. Just super delicious, guys. So here you can see it's all done. Now the tip to this is the longer it sits, the more delicious it tastes. So you can you can serve it right away, or you can go ahead and put it in your refrigerator overnight or for a few hours or so. But it's really delicious, guys. It's good enough to eat by itself. Trust me, you can eat this with some mini pita bread or mini naan bread for dipping. You can eat it by itself like I do, or you can eat it on top of some wheat toast, some bagels with cream cheese, or mini bagels for dipping. It's just so many options, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.